is up, everybody? Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go get this Metahuman Animator Marketplace, blah, 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 install it, and once you've installed it, just go to your plugins, which is over here, Jimmy. You go to edit, and you go to plugins. Right, once you've done this, you can just look up Metahuman, which is Metahuman, and make sure that you've got where is it? This beta? No, it's not that shit. Oh, look it up. Markerless. This one, experimental Metahuman Animator markerless motion capture. Jesus, the source. And you've got this live link, Metahuman live link. You also need live link. You also need live link hub. Where is it, Jimmy? Yeah, this one. Live link hub beta. Alright? Once you've done that, restart your engine, come back here, and load up a Metahuman. Okay, once you bring in the Metahuman, you can just edit window. Okay, go to Tools, Live Link Hub, and just load it up. Say yes to everything. Yes, yes, yes. Just let it load up. Once it's loaded up, go to Live Data and put Capture Manager. Alright? Then go to Add and add Mono Video Ingest. Boom. Once you've done that, you can just click on this thing over here and you can go get your video. Just click that. It'll ask you to choose your directory, select the folder, and it'll bring in your footage. Now if you're doing from iPhone or something and it's a MOV file, you can just do this. You can just go to an online converter quickly and convert the MOV to an MPEG-4. See that the image shows, convert to an MPEG-4, and you're good to go. Okay. Now once you got your right video, you're going to say add to queue, add it there. If you click on here, here is if you recorded yourself horizontally, vertical, whatever the hell. You can change, where is it, output, upload, you can change shit somewhere. Yeah, image rotate. So you can change it over here and you can make sure that it's facing up. Once you're ready, the last thing you want to do is make sure you click on it and say start, and it'll start processing the video. Okay, once that's done, you'll get 100% there after you start it. Now remember, mine kept on crashing, and that's because I was running a VPN. Don't run a VPN. If you find a VPN, just stop it. Also, I edited my video so I'm always in the frame, so it shows me beginning to end. Okay, once that's done, you can just minimize this and go to your content, your capture manager. You'll see a new folder there now in your content browser, and go to imports. And you can double click this, cut one, okay, and you get this. Then just right click and say Metahuman, and Metahuman, what are we looking for? Performance capture, Metahuman, yeah, performance. Metahuman performance, just call it test performance or something. And open it up, Jimmy, open it up, test performance, open it up. Okay, so once that's open, you can just go here where it says footage capture, click on this little menu down here. Is there an easy way of like showing you this? Yeah, so none, and it'll automatically show you the ones that you've got already. Click on that, you're good to go. The last thing is just go down here and make sure that body tracking is done. Click that on, there we go. Now you've got a skeleton. Now let's go choose our Metahuman. Let's go choose our Metahuman. So visualization control rig. Choose Naomi. There we go. The BP Naomi. I'll pick her. This is going to use audio clock. Yeah, whatever. I don't know. Look it up. Google it, bro. And it'll bring in the model. And now we just need to hit process. Process. And now we wait. Okay, and that's it. You can press play and you can see that you are getting the animation. Pretty dad, look, hands and everything, huh? Crazy. From there, you can just stop it. Okay, and from there, you just hit the export up here. Export animation. There it is, Jimmy. Right here. You export it. You get where your animation is. Over here, you open up a level sequence. You put your character in there. You delete the body. And you add an animation. Where's the animation? Animation. And test performance. There it is. And from there, you should be able to get something beautiful. And from there, you get all of it. Look at the hands. Entire body, feet, everything. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And it's all for free. Accurate motion capture for everybody. Wow. Look at that. Absolutely great, Jimmy. Absolutely great. Damn, look at me go. Anyway, have a lovely weekend, and I hope everything is great. See you later.